Hello, everyone. Matt Fannon here, Math Specialist with the ESC of Central Ohio, here to bring you this month's Math Moment. How many math teachers out there like to use student whiteboards in their classroom? I know I do. It's a great way to get feedback from your students, give them a chance to practice. However, what are some of the drawbacks? It always seemed like half the markers would dry out during the lesson, or maybe you have a student who just doesn't feel comfortable sharing in front of the class. So I want to show you another alternative that we can use where maybe create opportunities for students to feel more comfortable and get more efficient feedback. So we're going to look at online virtual whiteboards. So the tool I'm using today is actually from whiteboard.fi. When you go there and you log in, you're going to create a classroom. And so you'll have a code for your students to log into your particular class. So you can either copy it and share it, or you can even use QR codes if that's an option for your class. But once you get in there, you got to click toggle your whiteboard, and that's where you'll let all the magic happen. All right, and so from there, depending on your situation, you can write in equations for your students that you want them to practice, right? If you're a little nervous about your handwriting, you can also go to this little square root symbol, and you can actually type in the equation as well, give you the same results, but just a little bit cleaner for your students. But either way, you can share different questions on your screen, and then students can practice on their own whiteboards just like they would in class. But here's how it looks on their end. So I'll split my screen here, and Johnny's just about ready to join the class. So he sees just a white screen, though. He's not seeing what you see on your board. So for Johnny or any of your students to see, he'd have to do one of two things, right? He either needs to toggle the teacher whiteboard. Now he can see exactly what the teacher wrote and typed. Or the teacher can push the assignment out to the student. So that's kind of cool too. So you can push the current page out to the students, and then they can start working on it. So why is this a great tool for teachers? Well, as Johnny starts solving on his board, he's going to scroll down here. And as he starts solving, the teacher is going to notice or see Johnny's markings on their own page. So if the teacher scrolls down on their page, they can see exactly what the student is writing. So you're getting real-time information instead of maybe walking around the room and trying to see what students are sharing on individual whiteboards in class. You can see all of your students at the same time. And there's a lot of other cool features too. If you wanted to add more questions, but only push one out at a time, or maybe you want to differentiate, you got some students who are ready to move on, you can put a little more challenging question on there and have them work on that particular question on their whiteboard. So a lot of great opportunities that present themselves with this whiteboard feature. Now there is another fantastic whiteboard out there. I'm going to save that for another day, so a little teaser for you guys. However, stay tuned for that and other information on other Math PD opportunities that will be coming up here in the near future. But in the meantime, I hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.